In this video, we're going to do another practice problem where we're solving a system. This time, we don't have the steps laid out for us, so we have to come up with what to do on our own. So for this problem, we have a restaurant that has 2-seat tables and 4-seat tables. The maximum occupancy of the restaurant is 56 customers, and the owners have hired enough servers to handle 17 tables. How many of each kind of table should they purchase? So we're going to start by assigning variables. We want to know how many of each kind of table we need. So I'm going to let X be the number of 2-seat tables and Y be the number of 4-seat. Now, it doesn't matter which one I use for X and which one I use for Y. I could have done it the other way around. That would work just fine. So once I have that set, then I need to use the information in the problem to write some equations. I'm going to need 2 equations, just like I had in the previous problem with the hotel. So one equation I can write from the fact that the maximum number of people is 56. So each 2-seat table can have 2 people, so multiply the number of 2-seat tables by 2. And each 4-seat table can have 4 people, so I would multiply the number of 4-seat tables by 4. That would equal 56. So that's the total number of people that I can have in the restaurant if each table is full. My second equation comes from the fact that I can have up to 17 tables. So my total number of tables when I add X and Y together would equal 17. So now I have my 2 equations. I can graph them in Desmos to find the point where the 2 lines cross. Again, you can also use different methods to solve. If you try to use the how to solve it functions in the MyLab system, then they might explain it in a different way. Whatever way you want to use to solve it is totally fine. Just do whatever works for you. So my 2 equations here, we have 2x plus 4y equals 56. That's my first equation, and then my second equation is x plus y equals 17. So I can't quite see my lines, but if I move my graph just a little bit, I can see that they are right there. And clicking on the point where the 2 lines cross, I see that it is 6, 11. So graph in Desmos, lines cross at 6, 11. So because that is the point that satisfies both of these equations, then that's the number of tables that I need to purchase. So going back to what I assigned for the variables, 6 2-seat tables, because that is X. And 11 of the 4-seat.